If you want to wipe cache partition in recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, you need to prepare the USB cable and you will need to connect your smartphone to a computer. However, before we do that, first we need to turn it off. So press and hold the power button and then choose power off. Now let's wait for the device to be completely off. You will feel a vibration once it is done, and soon we're gonna connect the USB cable to our device in order to connect with a computer. And after that, what you need to do is press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to start the device and go into the recovery mode. So let's plug it in and let's press and hold both of these buttons. And once you see the Samsung logo, you want to release the power button, but keep holding volume up. By doing so, we will open the recovery mode, like I said. Now we can scroll down by using volume down button. If you need to go up, use volume up. And we need to find wipe cache partition and confirm your choice by pressing the power button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!